You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, or should I say these words, because this is both a verb and a noun, and depending on what it is, how you use it, it's going to have a slightly different pronunciation. By the way, if you want to learn more homophones, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to learn from and listen to. Affiliate, that's the verb, alright? So affiliate, as in this organization affiliates itself to a country, for example, affiliate, okay? Now, as a noun, an affiliate, when somebody is affiliated to something, it's an affiliate, all right? So as a verb, affiliate, pronunciation, as a noun, affiliate. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.